Hello, welcome to the video. This might be on Christmas. In that case, Merry Christmas. If not, Happy New Year in a couple days probably. Here's the situation. I'm building a keyboard. Quick and easy build today. No keyboard lubing. I actually trust the factory lube on these guys. Switches I'll be using are the Akko Rosewood. And these keycaps are some things I found on Amazon that I thought looked cool with the case. Speaking of which, the board is the, how do you pronounce that? Sido AMB081 Stellar. I originally bought this board actually for the last build, but it was supposed to be in the white colorway, and I ended up getting the black. So, I have that for this one. It sounds really nice. Stay to the end to find out. I'm a YouTuber.